Good morning, everyone. It's Francis. Look what we got in the mail today. Something from Cosmic Obsession Kerrville, a care package for our new telescope. How cool is that? I'm going to just kind of open up the box and take off the covering and look inside for the first time with you. I want to say hello to Bob and Deb at Cosmic Obsession Kerrville. We love you, thinking about you, and thank you for this care package. Let's go ahead. While I do it, I want to remind everyone it's Sunday. Another episode of Collision Course is on tonight. Revolution Radio at freedomslips.com from 8 to 10 p.m. Eastern every Sunday. Tonight, we have a wonderful guest, J. Craig Wheeler. This guy knows everything about collapsing stars, so can't wait to talk to him from the University of Texas, the Department of Astronomy, Dr. J. Craig Wheeler. That's who we're going to talk to tonight. I want to see you in the chat room of Revolution Radio at freedomslips.com tonight between 8 and 10 p.m. Ooh. Some of it's wrapped in paper. Oh, these are a whole bunch of filters. Nice. I have a T adapter. T adapter for 1.25. The Barlow lens. We have an adapter here. What's in here? I think I'm going to have to go down here. This is the dew. This is for a dew shield. A couple filters here. A comet filter. Lumicon deep sky filter. I don't know if you can see that or not. Hopefully. Woohoo! So much cool stuff. And of course, Bob's going to have to help me with all of this stuff. I got a new finder scope. We're probably going to, hopefully maybe hook the camera up to this. Woohoo! Heck yeah. Woohoo! All right, that's about as deep as I wanted to get. I knew that was in there. I'm gonna wrap it back up. I was always so good about putting everything perfectly in. We've got so much cool stuff there that we're gonna get to work with on the new 8-inch SE, new filters, new finder scope, guide scope. Oh, there's a camera in there. There's a camera in there. I didn't show you, but we'll show you soon. We have to collimate the telescope, and we'll be using that camera to collimate the telescope. And we'll let you peek in there. Okay, remember, there may be more videos today, but you have to join me tonight, 8 p.m. Revolution Radio at freedomslips.com, Studio A. Join me in the chat room. Bye.